Michelle's Plumbing Repairs LLC is a family-owned plumbing company with over 20 years of experience located in Kenner, Louisiana. We are dedicated to providing our clients with exceptional service from experts who are committed to getting the job done. Here's what some of our happy clients have to say about us. Eric Flint says, "I can't recommend Michelle's highly enough. We needed emergency sewer repair and they came to the rescue quickly, did an incredible job, and gave us a more than fair price. Good plumbers are hard to find, and we found ours." Mike Medoff says, "We had a really great experience with Michelle's Plumbing to repair our underground sewer lines. Holly addressed all our concerns and the crew they had were some of the most hard-working people I've ever come across. They were on time, professional and left everything even in better condition than it was before. We'll definitely call back if I ever need this service again. We look forward to all your plumbing-related needs. Call us today to schedule your appointment."